Alright, just got this nice box from Apollo Scooters containing the Apollo City, ready for takeoff. So we're gonna open this up and check it out for the first time. Alright, so let's open this up and see what we got. That new smell. So we got some instruction manuals. Just put those to the side. Nice looking charger right here. Oh wow, some nice Allen keys here. That's a very nice looking tool. Didn't think it would come with that. And the cord for the charger. Let's get this beast out of the box. Wow, it looks awesome. So let me get all the wrapping off of it and I'll give you guys a closer look. Alright, so we got the packaging off and wow, this looks really high quality. Almost everything's on its metal. Very nice looking grip tape here, as you can see. And everything looks, as I said, very high quality, and I'm very excited about this, so I'm going to try and unfold it here for the first time. That was very easy to do. So, nice suspension. Wow, I can't wait to try this out. So I'm going to try and figure this out here. Okay, so it looks like I have to use the Allen keys to tighten up this stuff, but there we go. This thing is an absolute beast. I can't wait to try this out. This is a little bigger than I thought it would be, but man, this looks like an absolute tank. I can tell you that the quality feels amazing. This feels super sturdy. And let me get everything tightened up and take you guys in for a closer look. Alright, so I got everything tightened up, and here she is. As I said, everything feels very sturdy. Has a nice little bell. The grips feel very nice as well. These brakes are pretty big too, as big as I've seen disc brakes on a mountain bike. As I said before, the grip looks really nice. The rear shocks are quite large as well. They look super beefy and durable. And here's the rear drum brake with the 600-watt motor in the back. Let's power this up. Very, very nice looking odometer screen. Focus here. So we have the level on top, 1 through 3, or the gear, and then the speed, and your odometer, and then the battery comes almost fully charged, which is pretty cool. So now let me turn on the lights and show you guys how that looks. I think it's, I gotta hold it, I think. Yeah, so you hold mode for 2 seconds, which turns the lights on, which are absolutely amazing. Look at that nice strip of LEDs right in front. Nice looking headlight. And then along the side it has these same LED lights that look just amazing. And then we got the brake lights on the back. Looks amazing. You'll be super visible at night with this. Can't wait to try it out, and I'll have some follow-up videos testing this thing out. Might be a little while because it's almost winter here in Montreal, but I cannot wait to test this thing out.